Hello, I'm going to show you how to use memory validator with services. This process also works for coverage validator, performance validator and thread validator. First of all, I'm assuming that you've built the example service and have installed the service. Now from the launch menu we choose monitor a service. It can be native or it can be mixed mode, it doesn't matter. The monitor service dialog box is displayed, and in the text field you enter the path to the service. The service shown here has previously been launched, so it's populated with that. If you hadn't previously launched one, you can type the path in yourself, or you can use the browse button to get the Microsoft file dialog. Going to click OK to say that we want to monitor that. Memory validator sets up various environmental variables and other things that it needs, and then tells you it's ready by displaying this dialog box. So I'm going to say OK, I'm going to start my dialog, start my service rather. So here we are, I'm going to start the service. Now it's started, you can see that memory validator has spotted it. We've got a couple of confirmation dialogs coming up. We've got one here, there's a debug information error happened, so we'll just close that. And then here, because it's a service, you may or may not need to run the validator with admin privileges. It pretty much depends on your service. In this particular case, this service doesn't need it, so I'm going to continue without admin privileges. So back to the service, it's started, open the service client, send it the string hello world, which it will reverse and send back, and we've seen it there. Go back to the service and we can stop the service, and we can see that memory validator has now reported some information it found out about the service. There's a couple of leaks here, and there's this one which is one leak, and this one's another leak. This one here, yes, that's where the memory was allocated. If we double click, see the source code, and then scroll down a little bit, because I know this example, we can see here I've deliberately commented out where the memory would have been deallocated so that it forms a leak for the purposes of this example. So really nice and simple. You just use the launch dialog, click through the boxes, and away you go. You must also have used the service API that we provide with each validator, and that's documented in detail in the help. And also there's an example service with the service API code in it, so you can see how easy it is to use. And there's also some logging functions which allow you to log errors and so on, which really help with a few simple mistakes that people make, and the errors are in nice friendly human readable strings as well as error codes, so it's all easy to use. Okay, hope you found that useful. Thanks very much.